what I got, guys. Yeah, so, dude, BotGrinder, you're the man. Thank you, bro. This is my second one, dude. I only won the one. Thanks, man. I guess it's a birthday gift. My birthday was on 4/20, so, dude, thanks, guys. I don't know if you guys were aware of it or not. I mean, I told Bot a while back ago, but he said that he would try and get it taken care of, so we're gonna go ahead and do an opening here. Today is 4/27/2018. Let's go ahead and let's see what's inside.
What's in the fucking box?
Oh, no way, dude. Bam. We got some stickers.
Oh!
They always have some sick stickers, dude. Last forever. Okay. Yeah, dude, this shit, it must have read my mind or something because, dude, I needed a frame. I was actually just talking about wanting to swap out of my frame I'm currently using because I was having issues with mine when they're the, you know, replaceable arms or whatever. They like to come loose on it, dude, after a while. So, but yeah, that's going by now. I'm gonna use this. This is bad, dude. This thing is so thick. That's like at least 4 millimeters thick, I think. It's 4.20 millimeters.
I almost gave you the wrong shit, man.
Hey, man, I already took them, man.
That must be a sign, man. That's my birthday gift from you guys, I guess, dude. Thank you guys, dude, so damn much. I'm gonna build this, and yeah, check it out, boy. We got some more props, 3 sets, dude. Oh, dude, hell yeah, dude. I'm digging the fact that they're throwing the BotGrinder logo on this stuff now, dude. Freaking badass, bro. I was watching him before he was like all big and famous, dude. And he's still the same guy, man. So those are sick. What are those? Are those 50-46s or 50-45s? It doesn't even say. But I'll be flying over this. Damn. I have never heard of this before. It is called a Universal Super Sticky Battery Pad. Wipe with damp sponge or lint-free cloth. Got that. Cool. Got that. What we got here? Sick. Yeah, bro. I'm so gonna support that. It's bad. Sick. I mean, I might just put it on right now. Like, yeah, that's what I'm talking about right there, dude. Bam. Sick. What else we got here? We got use coupon code QUADBOX. I'm not gonna tell you the rest because I'm pretty sure 10% off. Sweet.
God damn it.
We got battery strap. DroneRacingParts.com. Fast delivery too. That's strong as hell. Cool. It won't break that one as easy. Cool. Then we got, yeah, dude, you can never use enough tools, man. Hell yeah. Dude. Sick, you guys. I'm telling you right now. I just want to thank you guys so much, dude. Thank you, QuadBox, for supplying me with this, dude. Like, I mean, honestly, you guys must have, like, seriously read my mind. I didn't even make a video or anything like that about me needing a new frame or wanting to get a new frame or whatever. You guys haven't been flying because I just liked it. You guys are awesome. BotGrinder, thank you, my friend. Again, dude, you're a man of your word, brother, man. You give out prizes. You make sure your fans get, the prizes. So, don't have to say, bro. Keep it up. Sick as fuck. Hopefully, I might go ahead and set up and try and get an actual day account so I can get a subscription, start getting these, and just do these every month and do an opening on them. But yeah, dude, just if you guys are interested, just go to this website right there, dude. All one word, KWADBOX.com. All right, you go there, you can fill out the subscription on there, and you can get set up. Hope you guys enjoyed. FPV Hog, guys. I'm out.